In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your bet365 account using the app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so go ahead and open up your bet365 account as you normally would, and then you'll be brought to the home page here. And now to deposit money, it's as simple as clicking on the deposit button on the top right hand corner of the page here, and then click on deposit again. It's going to open up a new tab. So now from here, you've got different ways to deposit. So you can use your Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, PayID, PayPal, all these different click to pay. You've got a whole different range of ways to add funds into your account. So if you want to use your debit card, for this demonstration, put in your card number, name on card, your expiry date, your CV2 number. And you might get this as well, $100 bet credits offers, get up to $100 in bet credit. So if you want to claim that, click on claim, keep scrolling down, and then click on acknowledge and deposit. And then within a few moments, your deposit will be successful and you can start making more bets on your bet365 account.